How to fix Steam can't add or find friends. First, head to the website of Steam and make sure you already have an account. Tap on your username and then select Profile. Tap Edit Profile and then go to Privacy Settings. Make sure that everything is in public to make it easier for you to find friends and add them. Make sure to read all of the information so that you know what you are doing, and once you're happy with it, tap on your username and then choose Friends. You have two options to add a friend. It's either you could send them your code or send a quick invite by copying the link that is shown there. You could send it to a specific person so it would be easier for the two of you to be friends in Steam. That's all.